An important step when changing batteries in your wireless products is the sensor reset. Your wireless products are equipped with low battery detectors that alert your keypad, making sure you know when to change batteries before it is too late. After a successful battery change is completed, it is necessary to perform a sensor reset at your keypad in order to clear the low battery warning. On a touchscreen keypad, simply find Reset on the carousel menu and press it to perform sensor reset. A similar shortcut can be performed on the thin-line keypad by simply pressing and holding the number 2 until you hear the keypad beep. You can also perform a sensor reset through your keypad's menu. From your keypad, press Command until you reach the menu option. Press Yes and enter your passcode. Press to reset sensor. Sensor reset is now complete, and your keypad will no longer show low battery.